What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Mila, and I'm back with another video. If you want to see how I achieve this nice look with my dry manicure method, then by all means, keep watching and let me know what you think in the comments. All right. All right, y'all. So as you can see, my nails look horrific. Okay, that mean they was cute when I first did them, but I gotta take this purple polish off so we can get started on this dry manicure today. I'm gonna be using, just a little Dollar General brand, what you call it, nail polish remover. Nothing too fancy, smancy. You know how I do, regular schmegular degular off in this thing. Okay, so basically we just gonna take the nail polish off. Get the nail bed looking nice and clean again. Yes, my nails are a little dark, but it's okay. Us chocolate people, we had these kind of issues throughout life, and it's okay. That's part of the reason that I do like to polish my nails, is to kind of cover up some of that chocolateness on my on my nail bed. Don't mind the spill. It'll dry up in a few seconds. Alright, so now that my nails are all free of the previous polish, now I'm just going to go in with an orange wood stick and clean the dirt from under my nails. I don't know about you, but I can't stand dirty nails. So that's another, good thing about wearing polish is that it covers up the dirt in the nails. Otherwise, girl, I would be standing in the corner somewhere cleaning my nails all day, every day. So, yeah. Next step, clip the nails down. I like to wear my nails short because I do hair, I braid and stuff like that. And I just don't have time for no long fingernails. But I really didn't even have to clip my nails in this video, but I just kind of did it for the sake of the video. Next step, we're going to take the fine side of the nail file, not the coarse side, but the fine side of the nail file. And I'm just going to, file my nails down just a little bit, just so that the tips can be smooth from when I just clipped it. Gotta make sure you get those sides, guys. Sometimes it cuts down on hangnails, and it just makes for a better shape. So get the sides, and I was always taught to file from corner to center. As you can see here, cosmetologists know what I'm talking about. So whatever shape you want, like I said, I prefer a more natural look. And I like my nails to be short and clean, nothing too fancy, They gotta be practical for me to be able to work with them. I need to be able to write. I need to be able to do everything, wipe my ass, all kind of stuff. Like, I just can't with the long nails. Miss me with that. Okay, Mila. That's enough. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with a little quote-unquote cuticle oil. As you can see, I'm using the Wild Growth Hair Oil, my favorite. And I also pointed out on the bottle that this oil can also be used for your nails as well, okay? I mean, we just need oil, especially as brown people. We are born dry. We need oil. I know I was born dry anyway. So I just take a little dab of that, put it on my cuticles, rub it in real good, And so the first polish that I'm going to be using is this China Glaze polish. I'll put the names of them in the description box below because I don't know the names of them right now. I know that's a Sally Hansen. That's like my go-to nail polish. It's a gel polish. I really need to restock on some new polishes. And I will do so, you know, in the near future. But for right now, these are the colors that I'm using. And I like to do different stuff. So, you know, whatever floats your boat. Just make sure you stay inside the lines like the pre-K teacher used to tell us, you know, when we was having art class. I mean, if you can draw and if you're pretty artsy, then you can polish your nails and stay within the lines. And if you happen to get some on your skin, guys, great tip. Take that orange wood stick, dip it in some nail polish remover, and just clean off the sides as needed. And we done. They look crude. Hey, girl. Alright, family, so if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and come back, check me out later. Bye, family.